Indian farmers protesting against agricultural reforms breached barricades and clashed with police in the capital. The police fired tear gas to restrain him, shortly after a convoy of tractors trundled through the city's outskirts. Growers, angered by laws they say help large, private buyers at the expense of producers, have camped outside New Delhi for almost 2 months now. The protest poses one of the biggest challenges to Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi since he came to power in 2014.
ताज़ा तरीन वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन और ऑल नोटिफिकेशन पर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको मिले हर अपडेट सबसे पहले।